How? CO, welcome to Blue Bike and Doors channel. CO and hello is Cherokee. It's hello in Cherokee. CO, welcome to Blue Bike and Doors channel with another episode of Dickin around in the shed. Electrical problems on a Spyder 21 Spyder. Don't really anyway, run that intro and we'll talk about it. So let's get you Mobile, Alabama. So it's Mobile. So we went riding Friday, May 10th, yeah. And you dirty girl. Maybe it's just me. So yeah. We came home where the driving light down the bottom quit working. The fog light, driving light, light bar, that thing right there quit working. So I started chasing rainbows, you know, chasing wire. So I figured it out. It was I'll show you if I still got it. There it is. I kind of could. Well, it come out real easy. The pin come unplugged. I guess I could have. I tried sticking it back in there, but I don't know. But I had another one just like it, so I just rewire it. See, it don't want to go back in there. Don't want. Right there it went. Well, there you go. I fixed it, but it still might come back out because it's not tight. See, that's what she said. So I put a new end on it. I had one of these, and now I got an extra. Now I got, well, there's another end of this laying around somewhere. You know, this is the, I guess that'd be the male end, wouldn't it? So there's a female laying around here somewhere. Oh well. So now I get to put it back together and run my wire. So I just unplugged it and I unpinned and did all that, and so I could get to here and make sure all these were connected and make sure that's your reverse polarity, or that's your accessory. Then you had to put this wire in there to reverse the polarity because it's a reverse polarity. So therefore red's now ground and black is hot on that. So we got that taken care of. So now I gotta run the wire back up through here and plug it in. Oh, it's already plugged in. That's the wire right there, but you can't have it on the outside. So I'm gonna run it up and knead it up in there. Knead it up in there. Yep, knead it. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in there. Yeah, let's do that. So we got everything buttoned up. Take your time, run your wires neat and zip tie them, and so they don't get on nothing moving parts or hot parts and mufflers. And I got the cover all back on. It all works. Thank the Lord Jesus Christ. And so I guess we're ready to snap everything back together. It's just like a Lego kit, John, from Road Reality. Snap and clip and pop. Yep, $24,000 Lego set. Oh man. It makes life a whole lot easier. Yep, I don't think we need this time lapse going now. Try to be artsy fartsy. Yep. Artsy fartsy. I've been farting. Butter beans make you good for your heart. Make you fart. Makes me arty fartsy. There it goes. Ow, my ankles. So this is what I'm trying to get in done. So as you can see, there's this is the piece. I guess it's just to cover up screws, because it's just a plastic trim piece that goes over it. It snaps on there. Oh, make sure you go under that. See, you wanted the same color as before. She just bought a trim piece and changed the color. But you gotta change the lid, I guess. That's in there. Check, check, check. 1, 2, check, check. Did I push some pins back in? No, sir, I did not. So I set them over here. You got these little pins here, push pins as I call, Barty clip pan pins. That just sits down in there, and then when you push they expand. That side done. That side's done. That side's done. Bottom's done. Let's jack it down. Jack it down. That's the opposite of jacking it up. Or off. This is how we jack it up. Yeah. I think that'd be alright. Alright, then going down. Done. Almost. Almost. I got that panel, wherever I did with it right there. Alright, battery died on that camera, but lucky I had this one. So I was doing double fog. I know I gotta clean that poop off her. I'll do that. Let me clean. Yeah, I'll do that later. But it's all back together. It all works. See, I ain't lying to you. Told you it's all working. Ooh, get all up in my face now. Woohoo! Butter bean, more you eat, more you poot. You're crooked. Oh, probably. Why are you crooked? I don't know. Media mod to fix crookedness, right, John? Check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here. It's free. Let's see what we tear up next. Or she tears up. Or maybe I tear it up. I don't know. Later.